Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and I'm not big on candle patterns, candlesticks. I'm just not. It's just not my thing. Other stuff is my thing. This isn't my thing, but I know a bearish engulfing pattern. I know what that is. Okay, so you got a potential reversal here. If the bears can hold the key areas on the chart, which they're trying to do, and capitalize. So what are those key areas? Well, you see the blue line here. Let's move this in one. Okay, you got your 9-day here. You got your daily mid band here. 9 days at 37.07. Daily mid 36.92. They need to defend those areas along with a couple of others. So let's just head right over to the hourly chart. So here's your 9-day 37.07. You got the monthly pivot 36.99 quarter. You got mid band jammed up at the pre-FOMC price. So you got a lot going on. So they take it up to 37.73. They get the nice rejection. They break the lows, and they've pretty much been jammed up in this, can they take out 3,700? Can they take out 3,700? Defend all night. You got your Globex low sitting here at 36.77.75. That needs to go. That needs to go. The sooner the better for the bears. Okay? If they can do that, then it opens up yesterday's lows. Where we close today, in my opinion, is going to be pretty important. We've talked about, I double dog dare these clowns every day. Pick two lines, close below them, stay below them for an entire Globex. Okay? So, we're below weekly pivot. We're below the 9-day. Okay? They closed below that and the monthly pivot. So they closed below a lot of stuff. But let's just stick with the two that they really just very much closed below. And let's ignore the fact that they really screwed up here. Okay? They had a chance to really seal the whole deal off. And it's not, it's very bear-like. But let's focus on these two lines, here and here. Closing below and staying below these two lines for the duration of Globex, considering yesterday's weakness, should be very doable. Should be very doable. It shouldn't really be an issue. If they can do that, then what you see now is you see a lot of engagement with the daily mid-band, and you see the potential to go ahead and reach down towards areas like the daily lower band down at 36.38. Huge opportunity there. Huge opportunity there. So that's the task that's before the bears today. Can they close below the 9? Can they close below the weekly? Can they close below all four and engage and stay down at this 36.50 area? If they do, it's going to open up lower band 36.38 area. Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow. So the bears are off to a solid start. What they do with it now is going to be huge. Can they actually follow through? I don't know. But it's going to be very interesting to find out, and it makes for some nice two-sided trading. So, awesome day in the room to open the year, the week, the month, the day, the week, the month, the year, about 50 handles, and trend down days will do that. So we'll see. We did a little bit overnight. We were actually long overnight at 10 and got stopped out, and we'll see if they can seal off this 91, 92 area for us and break that 77 as we get into the morning. So everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, training well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.